Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss 10 cool home automation projects. So let's get started. Number 10. Lechner has built one of the ultimate smart home Wi-Fi systems, the Wi-Fi mesh system, which comprises fast internet outside of upgrading to fiber internet. He added the Deco X20 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. The setup becomes essential as it is a great connection. It's more likely to give you access from the lowest floors to the third floor and covers up to 5,800 square feet. Lee added this mesh system because it can connect and handle over 150 devices. The setup guide is on the Deco app. Plug the device onto your modem, power it on, and use the app to set it up. With this setup, you can monitor the outside as well as the devices inside your house. Number 9. This next one can be used indoors or outdoors, a mini battery-powered Wi-Fi security camera based on the ESP32 camera module. The do-it-yourself surveillance camera has many functions and possibilities, including access through its unique web server. This device is interesting as it saves video to an SD card, has a 2-megapixel camera, and can be used for extended periods. Max states that it costs $12 to make, but if you have no parts for making the camera, it can cost about $12 to $20. It's pretty economical instead of buying a new security camera for your home. Number 8. This device uses the Home Assistant server running on a Raspberry Pi board, a local area-based network. Using the Apple Home mobile application or CD voice assistant, you can control your home application from iOS devices connected under the same Wi-Fi network.
Hey Siri, turn on light 1.
Okay, the light 1 is on.
Before integrating the Siri voice assistant inside the Home Assistant, it needs to incorporate the ESP Home with the Home Assistant. As you connect the Home Assistant, joining your device for the application is possible. Lastly, you can successfully integrate the Siri voice onto your device. If you want to design better PCBs or need features like remote working, advanced 3D viewing capabilities, and MCAD, then you should definitely check out the free trial version of Altium Designer. And do you know that it just got better? With an all-new Altium 365, you can share your PCB designs with a single click. Anyone with internet access can view and comment on your project from a browser with no additional license required. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see for yourself. The link is in the description. Number 7. Pockit is a card-sized modular computer. It can be instantly shaped into all kinds of gadgets by laying out different blocks to meet a specific application. This device uses tiny blocks with different parts, a mini monitor, keyboard, button, etc. It even has a dashboard to command everything. One of the essential applications of Pockit is home automation by integrating with the Alexa.
Alexa,
Yes.
turn on Relay 2.
However, the overall device has fluid behavior, subject to the user's taste, depending on the exact hardware combination. At this point, the project emphasizes hardware-agnostic software and software-agnostic hardware. This device has other features as well. Number 6. Now you want to learn how to make a centralized system for your home when this is the one for you. Sebastian explains how he modified his previous centralized system made with Raspberry Pi and STM32. The information from all switches, windows, doors, and present sensors gets collected, and the output to lights, outlets, and heating is controlled. All the digital inputs are connected via alternate cables from the top. Their state is constantly monitored by the STM32. When you flip a light switch, the information is sent to an output SSR, and the light gets turned on. After that, the Home Assistant gets notified that a light switch has been pressed. Number 5. The kitchen is the most critical place in the house. The safety factor is the main point to focus on. The gas leakage can lead to uncontrolled fire, excessive temperature, and a moist environment. So all these factors are kept in check. Apart from this, it is necessary to monitor and control the kitchen appliances like refrigerators. This device monitors the kitchen temperature and humidity and updates it on the Blink application. It even monitors the air quality index and sends alarms, exhaust fans, and human presence status on Blink. Users can turn on, turn off applications remotely from the app. Number 4. In this project, we will use a Raspberry Pi character to control and manipulate the lights using Alexa. We will also require WS2812B LEDs, which will work as the eyes of the character, a pair of speakers, an auxiliary connection, and Bluetooth. Once you finish connecting the LED wires and install the application, start testing your project by simply commanding the object.
Mr. Bear, I summon you.
So when you summon the AI, which in this case is a bear, it recognizes the speech and communicates with you. The room lights up, and it can be controlled by instructing the bear, and it can even settle a dispute between your friends.
There's a dispute between Greg and Joey.
Is the winner.
Number 3. With this, you can control everything with a Node Red dashboard. Whether it be your main door or garage door, the smart control has got you covered. The smart home knows when you're not at home, and if an intruder breaks in, it will notify you. The temperature and rain sensor check for the weather and update the values on the dashboard. All the cameras can be monitored centrally, and you can connect to your home network securely using the Pi VPN. The energy consumption of smart sockets, thermostats, and other applications can easily be measured and viewed on the database. Number 2. This project is operated either using a remote control or through Amazon's Alexa-enabled devices.
Alexa, close the blinds.
Okay.
It allows you to set timers, bolt openings, and close your blinds into routines. The design can be fitted onto most plastic ball chains, making it suitable for vertical and horizontal blinds. It uses an infrared sensor to receive signals from a remote control. Further applications are installed to integrate your project with Home Assistant. Once the application is completed, you can command Alexa to close your blinds. A perfect do-it-yourself project, right? Number 1. The last project is the snarkiest home automation voice assistant. The hardware is exceedingly simple. All it needs is a display, some computing device like a Raspberry Pi, a microphone, and a speaker to receive commands from your voice and output from the assistant. This model is running in the cloud, and it receives prompts that transcribe from the host's voice, and based on those prompts, it extracts the object you want it to do. You can even tune the types of responses that you want based on how you're feeling. It may insult you.
Turn off my bedroom light, please.
Are you talking to me? Even if you are, you should probably be embarrassed to admit it.
The voice assistant can enhance your responsibility. It won't trigger your laziness, and aside from that, it helps you emotionally upon talking with the device. So these were just some of the many cool home automation projects you can build using the boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP32. And if you have anything more to add or say, make sure you leave it in the comments down below so we can know what you think. While you're at it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and keep supporting us. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.